Are you ready to dive into today's crypto roller coaster? From Bitcoin's steady stance to Phantom's explosive surge, the market's giving us quite the show. So stay tuned to find out which coins are soaring and which are sliding. Hi and welcome to Crypto Pulse, where we provide you daily updates on crypto market trends for strategic investment and calculated gains. The recent 50 basis point interest rate cut by the US Federal Reserve has pumped life into the cryptocurrency market. With liquidity flowing in, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins have seen a significant jump, confirming crypto's status as a hedge against traditional market volatility. Let's talk about Bitcoin's performance. Currently trading at $62,000, Bitcoin has risen 2.29% in the past 24 hours and an impressive 6.20% over the past week. It broke through a key resistance at $60,000 and is now eyeing the $63,000 level. With expanding Bollinger Bands signaling volatility, Bitcoin's upward momentum could push it towards $65,000. However, short-term profit-taking might bring it back to the $60,100 support level. Moving on to Ethereum, Ethereum is also enjoying a solid run, trading at $2,405.40 after a 3.28% 24-hour surge and a 1.34% gain over the week. The next major resistance is at $2,430, and if it breaks through, $2,500 is on the horizon. The widening Bollinger Bands and increased trading volume suggests that Ethereum could keep its upward trajectory, supported by growing interest in DeFi and smart contracts. Well, it's not just Bitcoin and Ethereum making waves. Solana surged by 5.35%, trading at $138.49, driven by its expanding ecosystem. Ripple gained 0.96%, reflecting optimism about its ongoing legal case, while Polkadot saw a 1.49% rise, hitting $4.23. Even meme coin Shiba Inu is up 3.37%, trading at $0.00001382. Let's look at the biggest gainers and losers. Popcat and Sea stole the spotlight with gains of 19.68% and 19.54%, while Sui followed close behind with a 14.57% rise. On the flip side, CKB dropped 7.57% and KuCoin token fell 3.66%, likely due to regulatory challenges. The crypto market's future looks bright, especially with the Fed hinting at more rate cuts by the end of 2024. But while long-term gains are promising, investors should be wary of short-term pullbacks and regulatory hurdles. Stay sharp and remember, diversification is key in navigating this volatile market. And Analytics Insight is your go-to digital companion for all the things crypto, so subscribe to our channel.